Hello, everybody. It is Lynn here with your COVID update for Monday, April the 27th. As you know, long-term care homes and retirement homes are taking the brunt of this horrible virus. So we have to do everything we can to protect them. We did get a reach out from Lakeside Retirement Home. As you know, many of their residents love to go out and get a little bit of fresh air and sit outside. And they love when people come by to visit, but not now. Please, if you are going by there, please yell and wave from afar, and please don't let them approach you. Sometimes they forget about physical distancing, and please don't cut through the property. We have to do everything we can to keep the residents at Lakeside safe. The other thing, I'm sure if you're a parent, you know by now that school will be out till at least May 31st. You know, my kids are grown and gone, but I just can imagine when my kids were in school, how difficult that would be for me. And so my heart goes out to you, and keep up the good work, and we'll get past this together. So today with me is Councillor Bill Van Berkel. Councillor Van Berkel's in Ward 2, which goes kind of from the 7th line to the 4th line, and covers Bellewert and the new Lake Simcoe Public School, and the north half of Lefroy and the Sleeping Lion. So a really, really busy ward. And Councillor Nicol from Ward 7, which of course is the best ward because it's my old ward. So that is Guildford, the south half of Lefroy, Churchill, Cookstown, and areas in between. So welcome, gentlemen. I'll start with you, Councillor Van Berkel. Tell me a little bit about what's happening in your ward during these unprecedented times.
Thank you, Your Worship. First of all, I would like to thank you, our worshipful Mayor, Lynn Dollin, for her daily briefings and bringing us up to date regarding COVID-19, as well as the many programs, i.e. the library and Ideal Lab, available online in the town. And I want to thank our senior staff, our CAO, for working tirelessly and keeping the one town, one team operational. Believe it or not, it's a big job during these trying times. Our operational staff are on the job every day, working at roads, signs, and emergencies such as floods to man the pumps when it rains heavily. Thank God it hasn't rained for a little while, but the rain is coming again. I know these are trying times for all of us, but we can still flush our toilets, turn on taps and we have water, flip the switch and the lights go on. Our first responders, such as by law, police, fire department, still answer all calls and never say no. Most of all, I want to thank the people who have been diligent and followed the rules and regulations of social distancing. Please keep it up, and we will get through this. We will get through it together. I would also ask that you support our local businesses like Lefroy Pharmacy and take part in Canada's National Takeout Wednesdays by ordering takeout from A Taste of Europe in Lefroy, for instance, or Bel Air Beach Bar and Grill, who, by the way, has relocated from Bel Air Beach to Monorino Marina, and all other businesses who regularly donate to our local events when asked. Please support them now, even though our marinas are closed. Lefroy Harbor, Monorino, Shepherd's Marina, they're all closed. We didn't close them. The province closed them, and we have to follow the rules and regulations. Harbor House, they will announce when they open that. It's closed at this time too, so don't go there for lunch. You won't get any. As the weather gets warmer and more people to get together with their children go for walks, often where we do not have sidewalks, as well as in the subdivisions, I would ask that you drive with caution. Children are children, even when supervised, and they will run onto the roads. And finally, I want to thank all of Council for their passion, caring, and hard work, especially in these times. I know it's not easy. It's a pleasure to work with each and every one of you. I could go on and on and on, but this is the Mayor's Minute, and maybe we'll get to do it again. Thank you very much.
Anytime, Councillor. Well done. Councillor Nicol, how are things in Ward 7?
That'll be tough to follow up with, unfortunately. Obviously, this is a stressful time for us. We're all juggling this new normal, and I know personally I've had to be even more organized than ever before to balance my day job, my council roles, the multitude of online meetings, plus organizing my son Wyatt's schoolwork and his weekly web meetings now too. I've had to relearn some grade 4 stuff and help him, and I now know my 3D shapes and remember what a quadrilateral is again. I do have a real appreciation for his teacher, Mr. Archie at Clarny Beach, and I see that he truly cares about his students and what they are learning. We also have so many great residents and business partners here in Ward 7 who continue to go above and beyond, such as Country Concession Quilt Shop, who donated fabric to make masks, and Cookstown resident Donna Cox and her sewing sisters, who continue to offer the masks that they made for free. I do understand that Cookstown Foodland recently sponsored 100 meals for our healthcare heroes at Stevenson Memorial Hospital. Thank you, Alen, for your generosity. So whether it's Ashish at Subway, Tara at the Cookstown Pub, Manny, Ali, or Dave at our pharmacies, or Neil and his team at Home Harbor, please try and support our many local businesses if you're able to. I know that most of them, just like Holiday House and the Cookstown Antique Market, have also adjusted their delivery options too. So check their websites, or, although I stay away from it, Facebook for more details. I did want to acknowledge that the churches in our ward rang their bells at 5 p.m. on Friday to assist in honoring the victims from last week's senseless tragedy in Nova Scotia, and for also offering Sunday services now, as I know these services are very important to many of our residents. This can be a very chaotic time balancing all of our responsibilities due to this crisis. I do hope that everybody takes a bit of time and finds some way to decompress. As the weather starts getting a little nicer, a reminder that the Innisfil portion of the Trans-Canada Trail is still open for some fresh air and exercise. Just practice social distancing. Luckily, to this point, our community seems to be following the recommendations, and Innisfil has not been hit too hard so far. Hopefully we keep it up and get through this together soon. Please be safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much to both of you for spending some time with me here today. I'm so proud of our council that last week's meeting, we started our Helping Hands micro grant. Each member of council and our CIO has volunteered 10% of their salary to go to this special grant funding to help out those people who are in need. So if you want more information, you can go onto our website, and there'll be an application form up there soon, and it'll be a simple one. So that's it for today. Everybody stay safe and be well, and we'll talk again tomorrow.